You have made one of the best decisions ever when it comes to learning and understanding how the YouTube platform works. Hi, my name is Nazim and I will tell you how YouTube works and what is possible over YouTube. I am so happy that you're watching this video, and I'm sure that I'm going to walk you step by step through everything, and I will let you know that what it takes for a YouTuber to be a successful YouTube person. You will learn all of the ins and outs, all of the tips and tricks, and how you can build yourself as an influencer on YouTube. As well as I will let you know how to create ourselves a successful YouTube channel. I have so much to teach you so I want to go over a few examples to show you what's possible on YouTube platform. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. And now that you are here, it's time to get to work. So you may be asking yourself, what's actually possible with YouTube? Do I have to be an extremely funny or outgoing person to get subscribers? No. You may be asking, do I have to do content just like everybody else just to get noticed, or do I already have to have an existing fan base, for example, to even get my first view? Well, the answer to all those questions are no. And I'm going to show you some examples of what's possible for you as a YouTube creator, no matter what type of content you want to create. You can make a channel about anything on YouTube platform. If your content is engaging to your audience, take this for example. This channel called John Drinks Water, and he literally records himself drinking multiple glasses of water every single day. So he uploads multiple videos a day, and he already has almost 30,000 subscribers in all of that. And he is making all his bills to make a revenue on YouTube. As you can see, there is not much personality involved, which is drinking like a cup of water. That's literally all he does. If drinking a cup of water every single day is not your cup of tea, I understand. How about you make a channel flushing things down the toilet? Yes, I'm right. Well, this channel has over 38,000 subscribers, and they make multiple videos every single day literally saying, well, this flushed down the toilet. Are you kidding me? There are so many creators making so many different types of videos, so you should never feel insecure that you have nothing to share with the world, because there are so many channels on YouTube just like things, getting millions of views, doing such simple crazy things that you would never think someone would be interested in. Take a look at the views on these videos. As you can see, this person was uploading multiple videos every single day, allowing them to amass a lot of money on YouTube platform by just simply flushing things down the toilet. How crazy is that? If you are curious to know how much money certain channels are making, then you should use Social Blade. It actually estimates YouTube's earning and also gives what amount of views a channel is getting per day, as well as amount of subscribers they have in the overall success of their YouTube channel. Even they will show you a display of how much potential earning each channel is making. All you have to do is search the YouTube channel in a search bar above. It is going to give you a display on the potential earning that particular channel is making. If you talk about the Social Blade, according to the Social Blade, this fake food review Japanese channel is actually making currently the best performing channel on the YouTube platform. As you can see, the channel names are Cherry Pie, and they have over 3 million subscribers. Of course, this is nowhere near close the biggest subscribed channel on the YouTube, but Social Blade takes into consideration the amount of acquiring the amount of subscribers and engagement on the channel. Based on these metrics, it's able to see which channel is having a significant growth in the short of amount. So right now as we speak, this is technically the best performing channel on YouTube platform based on the growth. And get this, all they do is review the fake food. They don't talk on this channel, they don't use any music, just they do simple cuts with their editing, nothing special. The creator has never shown their face on their channel, and no one even knows the voice of the creator. They are simply unboxing the fake food just to show you what it looks like. That's it. Possibilities are endless with the YouTube. Let's see how much social bits shows how much channel is actually earning on the monthly basis amongst all categories of content. The average CPM rate is $1 to $5, meaning for every 1,000 views, most people make anywhere from like $1 to $5. That's what CPM means, cost per 1,000 views. Now get this, they get over 6.6 million views on their channel reviewing fake food. That is insane. This means they make $6.6 thousand every single month, $33,000. This is just YouTube AdSense. This is not even counting whether their videos are sponsored or anything else like that. These types of channels have always excited on the YouTube platform because there are millions upon billions of people who are interested in this very thing that you are interested in. So you are literally holding yourself back, not making content to connect with the audience that's looking for you as a creator. Let me give you some other examples, because maybe drinking water isn't your thing, or flushing things down the toilet isn't your thing, or I think even reviewing fake food is also not your cup of tea. Have you heard of the term ASMR? In a very simple definition, I would say it's an audible sound that cause a physical sensation throughout your body. And this is the creator just like her. There are thousands of smart creators that literally make different types of noises very close to the microphone so that you have a sensory experience. I'm not kidding you. This person has over 1 million subscribers. Almost 2 million people tune in every single day to hear her make audible sounds on her microphone. Now look at this. Check out how much she makes doing ASMR on her channel every single month. She makes $23,000 to a little bit over $100,000 on her YouTube. And this is from AdSense alone. And you know what? Anyone can do ASMR or any type of content on YouTube as long as you understand how the YouTube algorithm works. You have to follow a particular formula because you have knowledge on how to make yourself successful, which I'm going to teach you throughout this course. But we got a few more examples to show you so that you can see what's realistic for you as a YouTube creator. If you are a teenager, for example, you may be naturally thinking, well, I'm not an adult, yet I can't do YouTube. You are totally wrong. There is children making content on the YouTube platform for YouTube Kids, and then on a YouTube app, there is also a teenagers as well as adults making content. Here is an example of teenager by the name of Jade Mary. She has over 2 lakh subscribers, and she's only been on YouTube for a few years, and she's under the age of 18. In this video that she did, she actually told exactly how much money she makes doing YouTube videos. She makes around $1,000 a month as a teenager. Just imagine all the things you could spend $1,000 on as a teenager. You can go out to hang out with your friends and be able to spend money on things you want to buy. You can invest into your YouTube equipment. You can do whatever you want. You can buy those new shoes you have been your eye on the past couple of months, like $1,000 goals so far when you're a teenager, especially when you don't have bills to pay yet. If she is just a beauty influencer, she shares her personality and the things that she likes on YouTube in just a couple of months. She went from making $1,000 on her channel to about $1,600 on her own channel, and because she told the exact money she makes per month. I was able to figure out the CPM rate. CPM rate varies between YouTube's platform. It truly depends on how much advertisers are willing to spend on ads for your particular content. When I did the math, I was able to figure out that she makes about $5.90 per 1,000 views. This means that she is making about $1,600 every single month, and she is constantly growing because she is constantly making content on the YouTube platform that the YouTube algorithm wants her to do. And I have just a few more examples to show you. Small YouTube creator can also make a great income on YouTube. As you can see, she disclosed in this video how much she makes, and she's making anywhere from about $40 to $50 a month. And I know that's not much, but check this out. She actually revealed that she makes most of her money through sponsorship deals. Every single video she does is sponsored. She makes anywhere from $250 to $300. That means that if she made a video every single day on her channel for 30 days, and each sponsor being video is about $300, she would actually make $9,000 every single month from sponsorship alone without even considering ads. on her revealing like how much money she makes. She's making between $117 to $130 every single month from YouTube ads. That's really not a lot of money, but she is a small YouTuber who's actually making a great income because she does a sponsor content too. So along with making money from YouTube AdSense and from doing sponsorship, there is other revenue streams that you should also be using, which I'm going to tell you in this video later on. If you are an entrepreneur who do videos you do for your business, or you want to do business videos, I would say, check this. This is an entrepreneur influencer, and he just talks about different things he does online to make additional revenue for himself. He made a video talking about how much money he made on 1 million view video, and then he made a response to his own video. So as you can see here with this red arrow, he's making a video that says how much money YouTube paid him for making 1 million view video. He literally made a video talking about how much a million views got him. In that video got over 1 million views, which is what you see here. And from that video alone, he disclosed that once he reached 1 million views on a video, he made around $3,700 from just one YouTube video based on his video. He's getting $3.70 per 1,000 views he gets on his channels. This has allowed him to see an increase in revenue of making almost $4,000 every single month from YouTube AdSense alone. And because he's an entrepreneur, he has other streams of incomes as well. And just so you know that the video he made talking about a video he did actually has 2 million views and counting. So he's still making more money off that video than the amount of money he disclosed, as we all know. Blogging has ruled the YouTube ecosystem since the beginning of time. As you will see here, this is one of the biggest bloggers by the name of Blogging Paul. Let's take a look at how much money he's making from YouTube AdSense alone. So according to the Social Blade, actually its estimates are based on his views. He's making about $260,000 per month. Now Social Blade does a good job at estimating, but a more accurate estimation is by figuring a $1 CPM to $5 CPM. So in reality, he's making about 65 grand a month to about $325,000 every single month from his YouTube videos alone. This is insane. Now, of course, Logan Paul doesn't keep all this money. He has business expenses such as employees, additional equipment he needs to buy, and also taxes to pay. Yes, utilities have to pay taxes. And throughout this course, I have a section specifically to show you how to use the calculation to figure out how much money you need to set aside at the end of the year to pay your taxes. Gaming is one of the biggest categories of content you can be a part of on the YouTube platform. So let's take a look at the channel that's actually been doing extremely well over the last couple of years. The channel is typically a gamer, and he has 8 million subscribers. The biggest gaming channel usually have over 50 million subscribers, but as you can see, he's not even that big, even though he has a huge channel. So let's see how much he's making. According to the Social Blade, his estimates, he's making about $7,700 a month. So $123,000 a month based on the views alone. But based on the average CPM right across all categories of content, he's making anywhere from $30,000 to $154,000 every single month. I hope these numbers are not shocking you. This is the reality of being a YouTuber. When you get millions of views on your videos by doing the right thing on the platform, you will be rewarded by actually getting a lot of subscribers and by making a lot of money. This is huge kids channel on YouTube. It's by the name of Coco Melon. All this channel does is make nursery rhymes with cartoon characters, and this is entertaining millions upon millions of children around the world. Look at how much money a kids nursery rhyme channel is making based on the views alone. $2.5 million. Oh my god, $2.5 million to $12.9 million. This is serious business. This channel gets over 2.5 billion views every single month. Now making kid content is not your thing, I completely understand. But if you got a good nice voice and you think you can sing some kind of tunes, then I think you need to do a little bit more investigating. This is a toy unboxing kids channel. This channel is not even run by kids, it's run by adult. She actually created this channel called Fun Toys Collector Disney Toys Review, and she has over 11 million subscribers. Kids are actually in love with her channel because all she does is unboxing Disney toys. You can hear her voice and you see her on unboxing. but you never even see her face. You can cash in on those YouTube bucks by making content that people want to see on the YouTube platform. She gets over 56 million views on YouTube unboxing twice. She's making around $56,000 every month to $280,000 every month. It doesn't matter what type of content you want to do, there is an audience for it. What truly matters is that you understand how the YouTube algorithm works and how to do all the things right that keep people coming back to your platform. And here we have the infamous mukbang videos. Mukbang is a Korean term that was started from the Koreans actually broadcasting themselves on webcam, just eating large amount of foods. This girl has over 742,000 subscribers and she's making upwards of $73,000 per month. She did not disclose how much money she made on her channel, but previous videos that I showed you actually disclosed the amount. But this is just an estimation based on the average CPM rate of like $5 per 1,000 views. And look at this another mukbanger making $98,000 eating food. Take a look at this blogger that actually eats foods with her children and she makes a smoothie. $146,000 per month. Your number one goal is to get as many views as possible on every single video you upload to the platform. And you will be able to do this while I'll share you the formula in my video series. Your milk blogger making $64,000 per month on his channel. Your head is probably spinning circles, right? You are probably asking yourself, how is this even possible? I will showing you how in the world YouTubers are making so much money. Billions upon trillions of dollars that used to be tied into older traditional marketing and advertising, which is like offline, like TV shows, commercials, movies, etc., is actually being transferred to the online space, and they are all getting all of these monies. Online creators like YouTubers, all you need to know is that money always goes where attention flows, because instead of watching TV all day, so many of us watch YouTube videos all day from different types of content. So those billions upon trillions of dollars that are into traditional advertising are now moving to YouTube. That's why it is so important that today you learn everything that it takes you to become a successful YouTuber. So that way you can create yourself a life you have always dreamed of by broadcasting your talents to the world. Thank you so much. That's it for this video. See you in the another video.